guys, I got some new large pet shop and I'm going to show you them. Here they are. I got this cute bird and the cat, and the numbers are 1983 and 1984. So yeah, and I'm going to open them. I'm going to take my scissors first. Here are my scissors, and I'm going to open them. Let's start opening. I think you better, let's see. This over here, hamster playground. Yeah, I'm gonna open them. I better cut the tip. This tape is quite long. Okay, I got the tape out. Oh, I found a sticker. Who's this cute chihuahua? I love it. Is there a menu? There should be. No menu. So bad. I got anyway, I already have a lot of menus. Just gonna put this out. Cut this out. Oh, a bit hard to open. These little pet shops are so hard to open. I don't know why. I think I'm getting it out. Oh, I finally got it out. Cut them. Finally got it. See, this is a park, and I'm just gonna wait a second. Wait a second. Sorry about that. I just want to show you. I'm just gonna take out this bench. Oh, here's the bench. So cute. Here's the bench. Oh, how about this? There's nothing in the back. I'm just gonna pop out the accessories first. I'll do that later. I'm just gonna cut the ropes first. And just put that back aside. Cut the ropes. They're a bit hard to cut the ropes. Loose? No. Oh, I finally got the thing out. Finally. See, this is so cute. And I'm just gonna throw the rubbish. I got a small rubbish bin right there. It's so cute. Look at this. Finally. I got this out. I got two things out. And, oh, I didn't know this. And I got this binoculars out. Yeah. This cat. I'm just going to take this cat out. Oh, look at that. So cute. I got no idea what should name her. I think of my other ones, but I cannot think of these. Oh, this. this has something. Put it out. It's nothing. Guys, do you want to keep it? I'll just keep it. Where's that? Okay, now I'm just gonna pop them out. They're so difficult. What's the matter with this? I'll just cut it. Okay, I got it out. Oh, I didn't get it out. Please, come out. Should cut this. So hard to open Lily's Pet Shops. Oh, it finally can come out. Finally! Here's the thing. So cute. Doggy biscuit. Just need one last thing. I'm just gonna cut it out. Oh, get it out. Oh, it's out. And wait a second. And I also got this. So cute. Oh, this. And they came with this. I'll show you. I put them like this. And this one's sitting. I was thinking this would be mama, this would be baby. So I was thinking that. And I put her that. And this cat sitting right over here eating stuff. Yeah. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye.